Hello guys, and welcome back to XEN network, XEN coin, which is a hugely popular coin for a couple of reasons which I'm gonna mention in a second. But you can also watch the video from last year. It was released last year. I did a video, and this one here is mainly for you not to forget to claim, and let's just dive right into it. You have to claim on the first day when your minting is finished. So the coin you can mint absolutely for free. This is a huge benefit. Obviously the value will matter as well. During the year it went up, down, but you can mint it absolutely for free to test out how these things work. And this is very interesting coin indeed. And when you basically mint it, you choose a number of days that you're going to be minting, and you can claim them. See, I've got like this one 326 days, but I didn't claim the last one. I overshoot it, unfortunately. And if you're late, and I was late like I think a month or a couple of weeks, you lose almost all the value. The penalty goes very fast, up to 99%, and that's it. So very important info. When you start minting, when you come here, you can mint any network you want. This is amazing as well. All you would have to pay is just the transaction fee. I have it on Polygon, Avalanche, and I think Phantom. And just set up a reminder in your calendar, in your phone or whatever, to come back on the day, claim them, and then you can stake them. Obviously I've got some staked, but very low amount compared to what I could have. So unfortunately I didn't make it. But on the other networks that I have, I think they're still don't remember, they're still going to happen. I still didn't reach the day yet. 21 days here. So on this ones I already set up a reminder in the calendar. Remember the 5th of November, and I'll remember to claim and then stake it when the time ends. So you can stake it and earn some extra ones, 20% APY. This is a coin created, let's just roll back, by Jack Levin, who was an engineer in Google. It's a very fair coin. You can call it fair crypto foundation. What does that mean? Is basically when they released it, they didn't take anything for themselves. You didn't have to pay anything. There was no insiders that got in early or something like that. Everything was fairly launched, and the owners as well had to basically mint it here as well. This is designed to be a coin for everyone, for people to have something nice for free if you join early on all these networks here. And it has some mechanics. You can read the light paper, which is really cool. It's got some decent mechanics, so that if there's more people, there's less rewards. There's like different type of supplies. Very cool stuff to make it valuable, basically, because you can trade it later on exchanges, decentralized exchanges for now mostly, but it gives it that added, obviously, benefit of having some value. And if you go to Twitter, you can follow them. Very interesting stuff. You know, who knows what's gonna happen, but you've got a coin that is free, that is fair, that is designed by a very famous guy in this sector. And you know, I don't mind trying, at least giving it a try. Why not? And here you have also the basics, which is permissionless, decentralized, transparent, immutable, self-custodial, no pre-mints, no team allocation, no admin keys, lowest barrier to entry possible, 230 million wallet connected. So obviously this, and you can have it on different networks. So if you have some money, let's say on Phantom or Avalanche or Ethereum, you can just pay the transaction fees and start minting, which is really cool. A lot of networks are here, and this is the coin for the people, let's say, that you can have for free, and maybe you know, in a year's time claim some, or how long you want to mint it. I think the lowest minting waiting time is like a year, but let me just try some other network that I don't have it on. I don't think I have Ethereum because it's expensive too. Yeah, so let's say you want to mint. Oh no, I do have on Ethereum as well, but yeah, it's about a year. You can leave it for a year and then you will get, you see, so I could get 23 million, and in the other Binance I got only 300,000 because I didn't claim it on time. It went down 99%. So I am doing my calendar notifications, and hopefully this time we'll claim it and then see how it goes. It doesn't cost almost nothing, only transaction fee. So this is it, guys. Don't forget to make sure you remember to claim it, otherwise you're gonna lose a lot. So thank you for watching.